Sam's going to show you how to put a drawer together.
First, you gotta take your glue and kind of make a horseshoe motion in here and make sure you're a good amount of glue down in them joints. Then you set it here and you grab the right side. You make sure these grooves are lined up. Set this in here, line it up side to side, make sure it's in there tight. Hold down tight on this piece. Hit your cylinder so it tightens it up. Tap that into place. Then after that, then you go through and bang all these just a little under flush so you have something to sand away. Then you put your back in, and on your back you make sure it's facing this way, away from the drawer, so you get your right spacing at the bottom. Get your back fit in there. Then you put glue down in here.
A blue alert.
Same thing as the first. And you fit this up tight. Make sure it's lined up. Hold down on it. Hit your cylinder. Tighten it up in there. Putting the back on, kind of got to stretch these out a little bit and then set this into place and make sure it's flush on each side. And flip it to each side. And you pop it into the screw hole. Flip it over. Put another screw in the hole. And you're done.